Okay, I'm sorry. I have to tell you guys. Walter's sweater is actually a wine bottle sweater for the holidays. Jovi. So we took it off the wine bottle and put it on Walter, and it fits perfect. And now he's gonna be cozy warm and have his perfect sweater for the ugly sweater party we're going to have next.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, you poor baby. Oh my goodness. It's okay.
Hi guys, this is Walter's new therapy. Today we extended a pole over a play yard and put a foam mat underneath. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to tell you guys. Walter's sweater is actually a wine bottle sweater for the holidays. Jovi. So we took it off the wine bottle and put it on Walter, and it fits perfect. And now he's gonna be cozy warm and have his perfect sweater for the ugly sweater party we're going to have next. Yes? What do you think, buddy? These two over here with their love fest. But honestly, come on. Look at this. Look at you. Hi. Matilda, do you need an ugly sweater too? We'll get you one. Okay. Are you having fun? Yeah? You guys having fun in there? Are you having fun? Yeah? Walter, look! Look at your new bumper jumper. You can get the ball, buddy. Look. There you go. Or Matilda's just gonna shake you. Fun in the bumper jumper. Look at you, buddy. You're doing such a good job. Good boy. Look at you. We need some more fun toys we're gonna hang up there for you, bud. Look. Want this one? Tilly. All the fun in the morning. You good boy. Yes, you are. You're standing so nice. Yes, you are. Matilda and Walter and baby Charlotte want to let everyone know that there are still a few spots left for our puppies, Petals, and Prosecco on Saturday at 4 to 6 p.m. at Arena's Florist. All of the details are in the caption, so please join us. Don't miss an opportunity to play with our cute little puppies at the kissing booth and have a glass of Prosecco on a Saturday night and some desserts and meet the whole crew gang. There will also be adoptable puppies there. And don't miss an opportunity to say hi to Walter and his tongue, which is in rare form right now. We hope to see you there on Saturday at 4 o'clock. Thanks so much. Details in the caption. Matilda, crazy girl. Walter, tell everyone how excited you are to see them today at our event at Arena's Florist. Walter and Matilda and the rest of the crew gang will be there. Baby Charlotte and adoptable Billy and Harlow will also be there today at Arena's Florist between 4 and 6 p.m. for Prosecco and Petals and puppies and a kissing booth. And we can't wait to see you all. There are still a couple of spots left. We will absolutely make room. Careful, Matilda. If you're interested in still coming, if you can see, Walter has his braces all the way up to his shoulders today.
Hey, Spicy. And they seem to be helping stabilize his legs a little bit more. So we can't, hey, Stinker. Matilda is on fire. I told her we're having a party and she just got in full party mode. All right, Stinker Face, go leave him alone. Yes, Spicy girl. All right, Walter, tell everyone we can't wait to see them. Yes, we can't. These two are officially cooked. They have had the most wonderful night, meeting the most incredible followers ever. And we don't even have the words to thank the people that came from out of town, from Boston, from Maryland, from Pennsylvania, from Syracuse and Buffalo. We are so, so grateful to all of you for following their journeys and being part of it and getting a chance to love them and getting a chance for me to meet you. I don't really have the right words other than to say that I'm so grateful to have such a wonderful community supporting them, and hopefully we can plan some more events soon where we'll get a chance for you guys to see them again. And hopefully by then, Walter will be able to walk around to everyone. So thank you guys and have an amazing weekend. We're so grateful.
I'm obsessed. Oh. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. You are so cute. What you doing? You got hiccups? Okay, he has the hiccups, you guys. Walter, got hiccups? You got hiccups? Yes? You guys, look at how his ears are curling in the back. Puppies sometimes do that when they're teething. It's a response to when their teeth are coming in. But he is cracking me up with these hiccups. You got hiccups? Yeah? Look over here. Look over here. Oh, biter. Your hiccups gone? What you doing? Say good morning. You still have the hiccups. Someone needs to scare you, buddy. Show everyone your ears. Show them your ears. You good boy.
Walter, show us how you drink your water. Look, here you go. Good boy. Good boy. That's it. You're such a good boy. Yes, did your sissy show you how to drink water? Show him how. Tilly, you want water? Till? Walter, show us how you drink your water. You're such a good boy. Do you want to show everyone how you're ready for the Buffalo Bills game today? Because we live in Rochester, New York. We're Bills fans. So we are ready to go for the game. And we're going to be rooting them on. Right, buddy? And instead of having happy hour, you can have water. You good boy, bud. Say go Bills. Yep. Oopsie daisy. Crazy. What you doing, Tilly? You got every toy? Yes, hi. Hi, Jumper.
Oh. You can't attack him. Walter and Matilda want to thank everyone again for such a spectacular night last night. We had so much fun. What is wrong with you, Raggo? So much fun meeting everyone, especially those that drove in from out of town. We are getting fully bombarded by Crazy Tilly, as usual. We are working actively on trying to set up a merchandise storefront, so you guys will be able to get some fun Walter and Matilda sweatshirts and possibly holiday ornaments or holiday decorations with their faces on it. And we will keep you guys posted. So Matilda, you're going bananas. I hope you guys are all having a calmer night than Matilda is right now, and that you guys have a wonderful start to the work week.